बांग्लादेश में 2024 के छात्र नेतृत्व वाले प्रदर्शनों के बाद शेख हसीना सरकार के पतन के बाद पहली बार आम चुनाव हो रहे हैं। 12 फरवरी को भारी सुरक्षा व्यवस्था के बीच 12 करोड़ से अधिक मतदाता अपने मत अधिकार का प्रयोग करेंगे। देश में राजनीतिक अस्थिरता और संभावित अशांति के बीच यह चुनाव बेहद अहम माने जा रहे हैं। मुख्य मुकाबला दो प्रमुख गठबंधनों के बीच है। एक का नेतृत्व बांग्लादेश नेशनलिस्ट पार्टी कर रही है, जबकि दूसरे गठबंधन की अगुवाई जमात-ए इस्लामी के हाथ में है। लंबे समय तक शेख हसीना के शासन के बाद अब ढाका में नए प्रधानमंत्री को लेकर उत्सुकता और अनिश्चितता दोनों बनी हुई है।
We are very excited as voters of Dhaka 17. We are very excited because we couldn't vote for last 17 or 18 years. So we are very excited. We would like to select our appropriate candidate for this election. Yeah.
What is the atmosphere of this polling station?
Yeah, I think the atmosphere is quite nice. The security is quite good and we can easily cast our vote. I think security is quite good.
Who are the major candidates of this constituency?
Yeah, the major candidates of this constituency is mainly two candidates, I think. So we will vote for the appropriate candidate.
You are hopeful about the peaceful election?
Yeah, sure. If the situation continues till evening today, I think the peaceful situation will be remain.
Oh yes, this feeling is really amazing because this is the first time in life I voted, and it's so easy and simple because two ballots is not these ballots are not creating any issues. Ballot papers are very clear, symbols are very clear. Then yes, no is very clear. You can easily cast vote. I think for any voters there will not be any problem to cast vote, and the inside arrangement is such that is distributed in different rooms and according to numbers. So here inside the polling center also there will not be any delay. I think they have managed it quite well so far.
Yeah. So what you are thinking? The election will be very good one, or
So far looks like that, and if it continues until 4:30, we should hope for the best.
and the turnout of the voter is satisfactory?
Yeah, because we saw here from 6:30, 6:45, voters are in the queue. So maybe this is the first wave. Then normally there will be gap after some time, and there will be second, third wave. So it depends on the habit of people, but people are anxiously waiting to come and cast the vote.
This polling center is for the heavyweight candidates like Tariq Rahman, Chief Advisor Mohammad Yunus. So do you think everywhere is the peaceful atmosphere is prevailing?
It depends. Here is not only the voters are from Gulshan, the surrounding area. I think away from Gulshan, the voters are there. So they are also in the queue, but responsive really huge. So far, so good. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
What is your feeling actually? You are in the queue of the voting station.
I came early this time, wishing to vote early. We're hoping, inshallah, this time the vote will be free and fair. It's almost about 17 years that we haven't seen a free and fair election. So hopefully this time, inshallah, we will see some good candidates and people who will work for the country, work for the nation. We'll have a corruption-free country, inshallah. So let's hope for the best.
So you are hoping the election atmosphere is very good?
So far, yeah. I just came in. This election is about to start. The polling is about to start in a minute. We are hoping that the conditions will be fair and it'll be
Peaceful?
sorry,
Peaceful?
yeah, it'll be peaceful. Hopefully, inshallah. Yeah,
There's no violence,
we haven't seen such much violence this time before the elections, which we have seen in the previous years. So
Okay.
let's hope for the best.
So you're expecting a very competitive election, or
Yeah, I am pretty sure it'll be very competitive this time, and I hope and pray that the competent candidate wins this time from all the constituencies. Thank you.
how you are feeling at the voting is about to start?
Right now, I have a mixed feeling. Mixed feeling. On one hand, I'm happy because this is the first time I'm voting, and on the second hand, it's still the same people. Right? We did not really get any new candidates for this constituency, so that's a little bit disappointing. But I'm happy that I'm being able to vote for the first time.
Who are competing here in this constituency? Who are the major candidates here?
Major candidates, I would say it's definitely between Tariq Rahman of BNP and Dr. Khaliduzzaman of Jamaat. The rest of the people, I don't really know who they are. I don't really know what they stand for or what they.
So
what their political campaigning
you're
is.
expecting the BNP and Jamaat will be the competition in the overall elections?
Logically, it seems like that because they're the two heavyweight candidates, and like I said, the rest of the people who are competing here haven't really heard of them or don't really know what they're campaigning for. And I think quite a few of them already stepped down in favor of BNP as well. So the competition has narrowed down further there.